Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you're all having a great day. So let's see what the cards. Okay, two cards have come out, three cards have come out. So I shall take out all the three cards. Now that's the Three of Wands, Nine of Coins. Oh, there are four cards which have come out. Alright, Six of Wands and Two of Cups. A very colorful day. If I see from the cards point of view, a very colorful day. Okay, now Three of Wands, work-wise, you're going to explore. Actually, when I saw this immediately, I felt it was the Ganesha trunk. So maybe it is the Ganesha blessings which is coming your way. The gods and the goddesses are going to bless you with a lot of beautiful changes and a lot of amazing things in your life today. Again, Nine of Coins, I see this as a day of enjoyment. I see a day of luxury. I see a day of fruition, like whatever you've been wanting to is happening. Again, if you see the Six of Wands, I see the horse galloping and going, more like a victory card. Everything is bright, everything is amazing around you. And the last cup is enjoying with your life partner or your family members or your sibling. But there is enjoyment, though the card indicates, life partner or your lover or the one whom you're going to get married to. But I feel it's going to be party time today. But if you see the sequence, beautifully the cards have come, beautifully the colors have come, that to say that today is a day of joy, a day of success, a day of happiness. Maybe today make it some more joyous and maybe make it some more successful. In the morning, have a bath with rose water so that all the unwanted energies go and it brightens up your aura, it brightens up your day. And start the day with Lakshmi mantra. Chant Om Mahalakshmi Namaha 108 times. Offer her some fruit and have that fruit and then begin your day. And today donate some money or donate some food to the needy, so that again the universe blesses you multifold, because today is your day. You're going to be happy, you're going to rock it, and you're going to enjoy the whole day. Have an amazing and a mind-blowing day today. Thank you.